those cichlid fans. What do we have here? We have my 40-gallon grout tank. We have a total of 50 cichlid fry. To be specific, they're a red Empress. We have 2 batches in here, one of 35 that were born on November of last year, and there was about 35 of those, and about 16 or so in December, the middle of January. So we have 2 sets of them, and yes, in the background you did see a little frontosa swim by. So this is my grow out tank. Like I said, I have at least 50 fry from my 55-gallon tank that I've now put in my 40-gallon, and they're growing out very nicely, as you can see. We have a couple males coloring up, so it took about 4 months for them to actually get some color. And I do believe in the back there you see the dominant male right there. Come on, turn on the side, there you go. So we do see a couple other ones that do have a little color on them, but he appears to be the man of the hour, or months I should say. So a little update on the tank. Like I said, 2 sets of fry in here. One set from November of last year, the other set from January of this year, and there are 50 red Empress fry, and they're growing out pretty nicely. They're in a 40-gallon. That's what's on top. On the bottom I have a 30-gallon. There's really nothing in it at the moment. I'm probably going to put the males in there. That way we don't have any breeding going on before time. And there goes my one-off frontosa right there. Very beautiful fish, if I should say so. He's a couple months old. And yeah, we'll be keeping him. So thank you so much for watching, and that's the update.